165 a Fergal tune a day. Gonna play a tune today called Free Now, and this is a tune that was sent to me by Pierre Laïly, a French musician playing Irish traditional music for a whole lot of years now, and he wrote this tune, so I'm going to try and play it. So thanks a million for sending it to me. I have a load of other tunes, newly composed stuff that I'm trying to learn. This one just kind of clicked. I hope I don't make a mess of it. Called Free Now. There you go, I need to practice my third position more. See you tomorrow for day 166.